Good night. My name is Tashna Campbell. Most people know me as Tash. Some people know my story, some don't. However, I'm come for address a matter where I got pregnant when I was 16 years old. My daughter is now 17, going to be 18. The relationship is terrible. Terrible. None at all. We don't have a relationship. All because a family member getting involved and because I can't provide financially in the way that she wants, I'm an outcast. Now I am here not to give the backstory on what is going on with the relationship with my daughter, but to address Troy Sterling. Troy Anthony Sterling, that is a constable at Mandeville, in Mandeville. He came here when he was 7 years old. And he came here from a mother that has mental issue, mad on the road. When he came here, my mother took him in. We grew up like brother and sister. However, one night I was playing with him, having fun playing. If you know me, you know I don't wear clothes on a regular. Playing with him, next thing you know, him start hold on my hand. Him have sex with me when me at 10. Take my maid, bleed blood, run to my grandmother. My grandmother start cry. What do you trouble you? Look at me now. So that boy was taken in the yard for a soul snatching situation, where my mother took him here to destroy my life. Hence the reason why I end up with mental issues. Because if you understand the destiny stealing, he took my destiny and turned it into his by soul tied and taking my maid at that tender age. After he did that, I started developing mental problems. Alright? Over the years now, I had my daughter when I was 16. I've been a troubled child from then, from 10 years old go straight up. Then I had my daughter when I was 16 years old. Had my daughter, I was dating two men at the moment. One of them didn't have money, one of them was working. So the current father was working. And even though in myself, I know that the one that don't have the money, he was the father, I couldn't do nothing because my mother said, don't give him. Give it to that man. It come to a stage now where the relationship is like, may I get some karma or some reaction, because me and my daughter, I noticed that my mother take over my daughter completely. Every little thing she try to put my daughter involved in it and say, yo, you're afraid of your daughter, whatever, I can't touch things with my daughter. There was an instance where me and my daughter start having problems. It start happening when my older sister came to Jamaica. And when she came to Jamaica, she came for a year to sort out documents. Scratch that, she came and she take on to my daughter, because she never liked me from morning. And she find out, say, me and my daughter relationship rocky. And when a day my daughter was doing something in the kitchen, I said, Kayla, you're 16. She was 16 at that time. You must can't fry egg. She turned to me and said, come suck out under me. After me never beg you for fry the egg for me. Alright. I cry, I call her father, I cry. The relationship start go down rocky. Because when me go wrong, is I start chase with her. I never really lick her, I just start chase with her. And you know, words are come out with a chase like matey. Alright now. Fast forward to now, my mother stopped travel and live with us. The relationship can't fix. As me and my daughter start get close, is my mother come up with something. The other day she come up with a phone card, say, she have 1,000 add credit and it gone off her phone. When I date her, she make eat off her credit. She said, God, our plan no renew. So the if and but was either me or my daughter take the credit. So me I try to figure out how the credit go, never know see the data. Me and my daughter catch up over that. My daughter disrespect me, big pussy girl, me and her chase and back and forth. Alright, that gone again, we make up back, we talk. The other day now, I left my charger here and go Black River. When I come back in the house, I dose my charger. There's 3 charger here. I borrow one and use it for my phone. When I use the charger for my phone now, my mother start, am I charger? I mean I pack up my things and go outside. And if Kayla wants to sit down and make nobody touch her charger, Kayla, you better put up your charger. So I get up and I take up the charger. Big bad bully Kayla now run come, grab out the charger, plug out the generator, plug out everything, and start run up and down. So I take up a stick. When I take up a stick, when I go take up a stick far, she run for a bigger stick. So when Mr. said I get out and I remember who is Tash, I remember saying he's no coward and he's no afraid for a little girl come take up stick out and I put one cross her neck back. Them run, she go to station, the police call me, police talk to me, so we need to live good. She came this evening and I said to her, Mr. Kelly, you want to go counseling? She said, I don't want no counseling with you. I don't want you to talk to me and I don't want you to talk to me and I will never talk back to you. That's what she said. I said, okay, fine. I start vent in the house and I say, yo, this not look good, this not nice. And here's me, I got through this. Me cook some rice. I don't know if you don't understand, say looting go on when after Melissa, Miss G, that's a SNC, cause she have a boyfriend work there. He was giving out the SNC was giving out stuff after the hurricane pass. So she get 2 basmati rice. The first one, the one we cook and eat. There was one left where she get recently out of the same giving away that the guy gave her. So she not there here, I cook some of the rice. Mommy, my mother went to her and tell her so I cook some of the rice. She texted me on the phone and said that when I cook the rice, I should have give up and dead. This is not the first time Kayla tell me so I must dead when me eat something for her. The first incident is when I took piece of the skin off her KFC and she said if she didn't know something I gonna eat it, she threw a poison night. Oh my God. How much more can I bear? Remember, I am a mother, had my child when I was 16. She didn't stop breastfeeding until she was 4 years old. She was going to Vineyard Basic School. She leave from Vineyard Basic School and she come every lunchtime. She have to suck the breast and go back to school because she's 4 years old. I have been through hell and back after I got my C-section with my daughter. The same sister that is taking over my daughter now, planning to take her to Canada and stuff. And behind my with me not even knowing the date when she leaving. The same sister that is planning up on the Kadia Campbell. You know, say a Kusha, I don't call her name for bad. Kusha, people know her as Kusha. She named Joan. She in America now. And she take up her phone and call my sister and say, Tash is going into theater. She going to do a C-section. Please call her because I don't know if she will come out. Or make it out alive. Me attack with emotions and pain in my heart. She did not call me. And all of a sudden, she taking over my daughter. Mr. Ocean now, Chai Sterling, them call him Plymouth. Them call him Ocean and them call him Chai Sterling. I got text my phone and tell me, so the next time, him did tell me, so the next time, anyhow I put my hand on my daughter, I don't want to lie. Anyhow I put my hand on my daughter, me I got to go deal with him because he know what I'm going to do to me. Tell me now. After you came to my house, took my virginity at 10 years old, switched soul ties with me, and gave me mental illness from that day on because I did not want you. I wanted Stuart Saville Smith. That was the man who was at my dreams. Everybody's supposed to know that. And you came in my house after my mother take care. You had sex with me at 10. Took my virginity. Your mother is a mad mother on the street. Roadside. Live on the roadside, so you switch it with me and the energy switch from there. Turn me into a mentally unstable person. It's been 4 years now. I have not been in Black River Hospital trying to hold it together, trying to get everything right, trying to be strong for my child. Because at this point, there's only one child I have and it's 11-year-old. But I'm asking your social media to put it out there. There's a pedophile named Ocean. Charles Sterling is a police officer in Mandeville. I am asking you please to tell that man to leave me and mine alone. If he can't come and cry peace and say you and your mother must live good, do not text my phone and offer me no lick. Because he know how the badness come down. Because him cannot lick me. Him cannot lick me. Okay? I am going through so much stress. Right now, my child is in my 11-year-old is in the room being traumatized by my mother. Because she's trying her best to come between the two kids. She don't want the big daughter to talk to my something there. To my little daughter. She don't want a relationship between them. The same life that me and her live, the same life that she and win some yours live. That is the same life she want to live. She named Darnett yours and win some yours down there, sir. I am asking you, please, everybody to say a prayer for me, please. Let this go out, cheer. Please, I am going through hell. It's not now, it's from day one. I have never bring a man here to molest any of my child. And the first molestation I got was from Raza. When my mother was dating Raza. Raza came here when I was 7-year-old and him feel me up, all the thing, he never have sex with me. And my mother never feel satisfied, she go for Ocean at a child Sterling. And I him take the virginity. So does know the childhood trauma that I have been in. And I am asking for divine intervention at this moment. Because it's not easy. I thank you, bye.